Welcome to the best picks. The best ear flush is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for maintaining optimal ear hygiene, offering a gentle and effective way to remove wax buildup and debris, which can significantly improve hearing clarity and prevent discomfort, making it a crucial addition to anyone's self-care routine, especially for those prone to blockages or seeking a fresh, clean feeling without professional intervention. Number 5. VetWELL Ear Cleaner for Dogs and Cats. Introducing VetWELL Ear Cleaner, the gentle solution for your pet's ear health. This odic rinse is specially formulated for both dogs and cats. It's veterinarian formulated to gently clean, deodorize, acidify, and dry your pet's ears. This ensures a comprehensive approach to their ear hygiene. This cleanser is safe and gentle, featuring aloe vera for daily use. It won't sting, burn, or aggravate their sensitive ear canals. It effectively eliminates the buildup of wax, fluid, dirt, and debris. This action helps stop itching, scratching, head shaking, and overall irritation. Furthermore, it helps relieve ear infections often caused by growths, buildup, and persistent itching. Give your pet the comfort they deserve. You can trust its quality and safety, as it's proudly made in the USA. Production occurs in federally regulated manufacturing facilities. What we like. This product is specifically formulated by veterinarians for your furry friends, offering a gentle yet effective clean. It's designed to deodorize and dry their ears, preventing common issues. If you have pets prone to ear infections or simply want to maintain their ear hygiene with a safe, gentle solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. EQUADOSE Hair Earwax Removal Kit. This complete system is designed for effective earwax removal. It helps you maintain clear and healthy ears with ease. It offers a comprehensive solution for your ear hygiene needs. Everything required for a thorough cleaning is included within it. This kit features a safe irrigation tool, ensuring gentle care for your ears. You can trust it for a comfortable and worry-free experience. It provides professional-grade cleaning right at home. Achieve results comparable to a clinic visit with this advanced tool. Complete with all necessary accessories, it's suitable for both adults and kids. Everyone in the family can benefit from its gentle and effective cleaning. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a complete ear cleaning system for effective wax removal. It uses a safe irrigation method, making it suitable for gentle ear care for the whole family. If you are looking for a professional-inspired, all-in-one solution that works for both adults and kids, this kit offers convenience and peace of mind. What people say. Number 3. Safe Ear Wax Removal Kit for all ages. This system offers a convenient and professional ear cleaning solution right in your home. It helps you save both time and money on ear care appointments. Your ears are delicate, and this kit is designed for special care. It gently washes away wax and debris without causing damage to the skin. Say goodbye to symptoms like fullness, hearing loss, and pain. This tool provides a safe and effective way to find relief at home. This device is quick and effective for excess ear wax buildup. It's safe for all ages, including children, ensuring peace of mind. It comes as a complete system, including a spray bottle, basin, 40 tips, and a towel. You get everything required for maximum cleaning effectiveness. Your satisfaction and good health are our top priorities. This ear lavage unclogger safely removes ear wax for adults and kids, backed by quality assurance. What we like. This ear wax washer system offers a convenient and easy-to-operate solution for home use. It comes with a complete set of accessories, including 40 disposable tips, a basin, and a towel, ensuring you have everything you need. If you are looking for an easy-to-use, comprehensive ear cleaning kit that saves you time and money on professional visits, this is a great option. What people say. Number 2. EarClear RX Complete Ear Wax Removal and Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive system provides everything you need for safe and effective earwax removal right at home. It includes a bottle washer, basin, and 20 disposable tips for easy cleaning. Designed to be safer than traditional methods, it effectively removes earwax without pushing it deeper. Its gentle spray ensures comfort for both adults and children. This kit includes both rigid tips for effective wax removal and flexible tips for a gentle clean. This ensures a comfortable and thorough experience, tailored for everyone. Developed with physician-preferred methods, it offers a trusted solution for earwax removal. Experience an effective and reliable ear cleaning experience in the comfort of your home. With easy-to-follow instructions, cleaning your ears at home has never been simpler. Its ergonomic handle and splash guard make the process quick, clean, and mess-free. What we like. This kit is a physician-preferred system, offering a safe and gentle design for effective earwax removal. It includes versatile tips, both rigid and flexible, to cater to different cleaning needs and comfort levels. If you are looking for a doctor-recommended solution with adaptable tips for a personalized and comfortable cleaning experience, this kit is highly suitable. What people say. Number 1. W102 Earwax Removal Kit. Your ears are delicate and deserve special care. This tool gently washes them, effectively removing wax and debris without causing any damage. Skip costly appointments and clean your ears at home, on your schedule. You can easily refill its spray bottle with a simple homemade solution. It comes with 30 soft, disposable tips for single use. This thoughtful design ensures maximum hygiene and prevents the spread of infections. This quick and effective device is perfect for removing excess ear wax buildup at home. It safely cleans ears for everyone, including children. We stand by our product with a 12-month replacement warranty. Should you encounter any issues, please reach out, and we will ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This manual irrigation system is designed to be a cost-effective alternative to expensive hospital visits, allowing you to clean your ears at home. It features 30 disposable soft ear tips, promoting hygiene and preventing infections. If you are looking to save money on ear care and prioritize a sanitary cleaning process for all ages, this system provides excellent value. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.